All right, we're live. Hello, everyone, and welcome to the New Hampshire Aerospace and Defense Export Consortium's Lunchtime Connections presentation. Today is December 20th, and we have with us today TRM Microwave, the Southwest Research Institute, and Transupport. I wanted to introduce myself so that you all know the voice behind everything. My name is Stephanie McLaughlin, and I am the principal of Savoir-Faire Marketing Communications, also a NHADEC member, a member of the board of directors, and a member of the marketing committee. Today's the Lunchtime Connections format is going to be presentations from each of the member organizations up to about 8 minutes long, including a Q&A after the presentations. You can, during the question and answer period, either raise your hand in the webinar software, and I will unmute you, or you can type a question into the chat panel, and we can, and I'll be happy to ask the presenters. If anybody has any questions on the format, well, I'm happy to take them now. And if not, then we can jump into our first presentation. Is everybody comfortable with what's going to happen?
Yes. Yep.
Okay, great. So I think today we are going to start out with TRM Microwave, and I will let you guys take it away.
Very good. Good afternoon. My name is Darren Cossett. I'm a key account manager for TRM Microwave, and I'm going to start with some slides to give you a quick company overview. So who is TRM Microwave and what do we do? Well, TRM partners with our customers to solve complex RF microwave signal processing challenges. We've been providing Tier 1 defense contracts in the aerospace industry with custom microwave solutions since 1970. Being an RF microwave subject matter experts, we offer custom technical solutions for unique RF design problems, complex passive and active components, subsystems for high-performance applications, and applications with stringent electrical, mechanical, or environmental requirements. With a vertically integrated capabilities in design, manufacturing, test, and support, we serve as an extension of our customers' team. Also, customers with supplier diversity goals also benefit from TRM status as a certified woman-owned small business. Next slide. So, discussion about some of our core competencies. We have custom and catalog designs for passive RF microwave components from DC to 40 gigahertz, such as power dividers, directional couplers, 90 to 180 degree hybrids, beamforming networks, directional couplers up to 20 kilowatts, dividers and combiners up to 10 kilowatts, and custom integrated active systems. We are able to create innovative designs, the ability to merge various technologies such as ferrite, strip line, microstrip, coaxial, and airstrip. We also provide risk mitigation objective evidence to support all of our products and our services. I'm going to turn the presentation over to our Chief Technical Officer, Sean Moore. He's going to speak to our design capabilities.
Hi, good afternoon. Next slide, please. Hi, as a design team, we have a wide range of talented people here at TRM. We have extremely detailed, we have program managers that go in and handle a lot of those details as far as making sure that all of the work gets done and all the work gets completed. From a design standpoint, from mechanically, we use SolidWorks as our primary design tools, as well as for other FEA simulations for stress, strains, and mechanical evaluations as we're going through those products. Electrically, we rely heavily on HFSS as one of our design tools, as well as Agilent EM Pro and ADS. We use a structured design approach from the design concept right through the end of the design process. We validate all of our designs both in software and in actual testing of those components as we're going through. And then we validate all those designs by building prototypes and validation coupons to make sure that we meet all of the customers' parameters. Next slide, please. From a quality standpoint, TRM has all the certifications you would expect from an aerospace company. We are AS9100C certified, which is the aerospace addendum for quality. We're also ISO certified. We are ITAR registered for using, as well as the facility is classified for secret clearance. So we have those abilities to work with our customers as well. We use total quality management tools to make sure that we both analyze and validate any sorts of problems or any sorts of issues that come up along with our designs. We utilize continuous improvement teams to make sure that we have good process involvement going through, as well as we work to all of the, again, sort of high quality standards that you would expect out of a design company like ourselves. We do work to the J standard for soldering and workmanship, as well as the space addendum. A good number of our products that we build go on both military platforms as well as spacecraft. So we have very high quality requirements here at TRM. Also, we work within the various capabilities for solder, depending whether the customer requires a row house sort of environment, or a lot of our military customers actually request a more standard sort of solder sort of configuration for reliability, and we work with both those configurations. Next slide, please. In-house, like Darren mentioned earlier, we are fully vertically integrated, so we have full manufacturing capability from design right through manufacturing and then building the part. We have all of our design services in-house. We have all of our manufacturing in-house. We have our own machine shop. We have our own PC shop. We have our own laser cutting machine here in-house. We have and once those individual parts get fabricated, we then can go ahead and mount them. We have our own SMT line, all fully automated machinery to be able to build a lot of these custom parts. The automated machinery is all software configurable, so depending on the size of the run, we can actually go ahead and reprogram things up relatively quickly. From an overall test capability, we have a good suite of environmental capabilities in-house right now. We can go in there. We have vibration in-house. We have thermal shock in-house. We have thermal cycle in-house. Gross leak testing in-house. We have infrared imaging that we use for when we do high power testing for individual components, as well as we also own a wide variety of amplifiers to be able to do those high power testing in-house. All of the other sorts of parameters that we need outside of those areas, we partner with local labs to be able to go ahead and do those sorts of tests. We routinely do salt spray, mechanical shock, humidity, thermal vac, and those sorts of tests at a lot of our facilities that are local as well. And those sorts of testing is sort of things that we do on a routine basis. Next slide, please. And that's it. Any questions?
Thanks, Sean and Darren. Does anybody have any questions for Sean or Darren today? I have one if nobody else has anything prepared. I saw some news recently that you folks purchased a new building, and I'm curious to know, what are your plans for that? Is that what directions are you moving with that new building?
Yes, certainly. You want to pick up, Darren? When we
right ahead. The description of the building, and actually, I don't know what the square footage is, but it's 5,000.
Yeah, so that building right now, we added an additional 7,500 square feet onto our facility. That is really for additional capability and space. We've been growing over the past several years, and this gives us the ability to go in there and to continue to grow. Primarily, that is where most of our automated equipment is going. So our SMT line, as well as a lot of our automated robots that we're building to aid in our facility, are all going into that facility. Really, it's a good problem to have. We're outgrowing the building we're currently in, and we need some more space.
That's wonderful. Sounds like exciting times over there at TRM.
Yep, thank you.
Thank you.